Morning! Got a cattle working day today. Not many, more like 70 or 80. Oh my goodness. These things are big. They're like a week and a half old. And they're getting big, starting to try to walk around a little bit. Holy smokes, you guys are fat. You guys are fat. Almost opening their eyes. I bet by the next video, they'll have their eyes open. We gotta go out and feed the calves. And then we're working calves, like Dad said. Mom's getting on her horse. Already brought the pairs up in the lot last night, so we just got to bring them up into the main pen now, then run them up through the system. But we only got 80, so about half of what we were doing like last week, and it's really nice today, so should be smooth sailing. I'm gonna show you guys one cool thing here with these DF cattle mats. If you look right here, look at this edge where the ground has deteriorated away and started to deteriorate away. And then you look at where the mat is. There's already about 4 inches there, 5 inches there, where this mat has held this ground together. Look at that lip. Right there. But if you put them up real close to water tanks, you're not gonna lose any of your dirt, which is the best part about it. You don't have to add dirt or gravel to anything after you put that mat on top of it. Same with in front of your chute. It holds all that dirt there, so there's no holes coming out of your chute that fill up with water before you want to work cows. It just stays exactly level and how it was before. Well, if you guys have watched we gotta reorganize our panels here, these freestanders. So we're gonna use this gate, put it over here, make this our calf catch pen, and then this big pen back here, we're gonna make that our cow catch pen, and that'll have a release gate on it. So if there's a calf that slips in with them cows, we can get that calf back and then let the cows out. Well, we got a crippled cow we want to sell, and we got her calf out there. So he's gonna get sorted off. Mom supposedly has a lock on this cow. We're gonna grab those two. That calf's gonna go in with the bottle calves. And hopefully we can get those guys out in a bigger pen and on a self-creep feeder soon. Yeah. This calf here. We got them. See ya. The way cattle prices are these days, it's better to keep them on their hooves and sell them a year early if you can, because you're gonna save yourself a lot of money. Better look. So here's a better look at our calf gate that we have. We originally designed it for weaning calves, but it's actually perfect for these smaller calves. It's about probably 3 foot in height, 3.5. And we're setting this little taser gate, so the calves are gonna come up here alongside their cow, and Dad's gonna let these cows go around here, and this calf's gonna hit this, and he's gonna see that opening, see his mom and his cows leaving through these open gates. He's just gonna dart right along here and end up stuck in this pen. Well, we got all the calves sorted off and in here, probably only about 70 some calves, and we're gonna get the pump gassed up and get to work. Need to get a goat back here. Put a gas in here. She's pretty foul. So what we're doing today is giving them 2 shots. One is
Covexinate,
mom's nose,
Covexinate, Pyramin 5,
and
SQ,
and putting a band on them. So there's 2 shots, and they contain a lot of medicine in each one. Different things for different things. There's tetanus in there too, though, which when you ban them this young, they say you don't need tetanus, but we still like to have it in them. Push that ball up. Cool. That's a big bull. What? Nice. Oh, you got him to pee.
Yeah, I fondled his balls a little bit.
Nice. Ooh, a little bander. Sunrise 249. It's gonna be a light day today. Beautiful weather, 70 some calves, about half as many as we usually do.
Look at the size of that one. Are you okay? I
think it's on. $600, but huh? Big one?
One thing I've learned on these Japanese Wagyu bulls, they're tits. They have tits on them, little ones, and they're really close to the leading edge of that sack. And those ones that I shot the other day that were swelled up, that was the first group I did. I think what happened is I was catching a little bit of maybe one of their tits in that band, and that's what got infected. So now I'm really being careful today, and I'm using smaller bands on the smaller ones, and really being careful on feeling those tits and getting that way down on the front side.
Ricky the bottle calf, she went out in the pasture with a new mother, and she's back in here. We left a tag. It says Rick on the tag. That's her right there. Ricky the female.
Definitely not tame anymore.
No, she's wild. She looks good though. Here's the last of the calves. Good boy. Hold up. So we're letting the cows out. We gotta go about a mile down the road and then up into the pasture where we got them from. We sent Mom down the road. She's gonna go turn them up into the pasture, and luckily there's fences on both sides and we ran to the pasture. just so we're just gonna run straight down the road. Get in there. What?